นั้นยังเยซูคริสต์pray pi bằng núi toại rai bàn bay nạp nhu lại nun cơ cu ya cơ nhu thái an prong lo bàn bay nạp nhu lại nun cơ cu ya cơ Jesus' name, let angels prostrate fall, bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all. Bring forth the royal diadem and crown him Lord of all. Ye chosen seed of Israel's race, ye ransomed from the fall. Hail him who saves you by his grace and crown him Lord of all. Hail him who saves you by his grace and crown him Lord of all. Oh, that with yonder sacred throne we at his feet may fall, we'll join the everlasting song.